This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the prerequisites. You must be the family sharing organizer, and the child must have an Apple ID signed in. Once done, open Settings on your device and tap your name, then Family Sharing to locate the child's account. Make sure both devices are updated. Outdated software can hide controls. Next, tap the child's name and look for Ask to Buy. This gives you access to toggle the feature and begin the deactivation process without delay. You now disable Ask to Buy. In Family Sharing, select the child, then choose Ask to Buy and switch it off. When prompted, confirm that you want purchases to be allowed without requests. This removes the approval step for iTunes, App Store, and in-app buys. Once toggled, make sure to check the child's device under Settings, right arrow Screen Time, right arrow Content and Privacy for any purchase restrictions that might still block buying. This ensures purchases flow normally after you've turned the feature off. Finish by confirming the change. Ask the child to sign out and back into the App Store, or restart both devices if the change doesn't appear immediately. If purchases still fail, review the family payment method and purchase restrictions in Screen Time, because those can prevent transactions even with Ask to Buy off. Finally, if you need tighter control later, you can re-enable Ask to Buy from Family Sharing. This reversible step keeps control flexible while avoiding permanent lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.